area. Rob?
Yeah, we're starting the day pretty cold out there this morning. Got some frost in many locations. Watching temperatures sort of hover around freezing or just above. It will warm up a little bit better today and maybe a little bit faster today. Yesterday we did get into the low 60s. I see no reason we can't get there again today, maybe into the middle 60s, but we have a little bit more ground to cover since this morning we're starting so low. Overnight tonight into tomorrow, I don't expect it to get as cold because the winds will change direction and we should start to generate some clouds. We don't see a lot of clouds around here yet, and I don't think we're going to have many for the first half of the day. It's 33 at the Tallahassee airport currently. It was 32 last hour. It's 34 in Thomasville. It's 36 in Valdosta. There's not much of a breeze around, and I don't think we're going to find very much. In Bainbridge, we dipped down to 31. At Quincy, we're still hanging on to 32. Look at Cross City, down at 30. So we got a lot of cold spots out there this morning. The coldest part of the day, usually a little after 7:30. So we've got about another hour of temperatures that can drop a bit. And with the calm winds, with the clear skies, with the dry, cold air in place, we're likely going to see temperatures slide back just a little bit more over the next 90 minutes or so. I don't see too much fog out there. Perry's had a couple of reductions in visibility, but right now around 4 miles. Not a lot happening satellite radar composite style. I don't expect a lot's going to happen during the day today, but we see some clouds along the western parts of the Gulf Coast. That's already on the backside of that bubble of high pressure. That'll be sliding more east. As it does, the winds shift. We start to bring in the warmer and more humid from over the Gulf, and that's where the clouds come from. There's quite a bit of space between that center of high pressure and this next boundary that's likely not going to get here till Sunday. So plenty of time to really establish that warm, moist flow, and that means set the air up ready to get those showers wrung from it when that boundary gets here to act as that trigger mechanism to shake the showers out of the clouds. So on the Futurecast, I think we start to bring in some clouds today, tonight especially, and throughout the day tomorrow. I can't rule out an isolated sprinkle even during the day on Saturday, although I don't think we're talking big rains then. But I think the potential for some bigger rains is now starting to grow a bit for Sunday. So we'll be watching some things by the end of the weekend when that next boundary gets here. On the Gulf today, east winds first. They shift a little bit more southeast. How about 5 to 15 knots and seas 1 to 3 feet, so nowhere near as breezy as it was yesterday. Frosty early. Sun will be up at 7:21. 30s become 40s, 40s become 50s, and I do think we can get into the 60s this afternoon. We'll call it mostly sunny and cool. Tonight it will be cool again, but I don't think it's going to be as cold as it is this morning. How about upper 30s and low 40s? And you look at that 7-day forecast. We see the 70s back in the afternoons and the 50s for mornings until the showers do their thing on Sunday. We bring in the next push of colder air starting Monday.